Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Ali Iftikhar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about today's Express Entry draw. This was the third Express Entry draw, IRCC draw in this month. But why am I making a video now? Is because there were two draws actually today. One was OINP draw. One was the Express Entry draw. Now, the OINP draw people, they were thinking whether they should go for the OINP application or they should go with the Express Entry application. And right after that draw, there was an Express Entry draw with a CRS score, minimum CRS score of 509. Now, if you remember, last time the draw happened for the Canadian Experience class, almost 3,300 people were invited. That was the time when 507 was selected. Now 509 was selected. So there was a slight increment in the lowest ranked candidate's score. So Express Entry for Canadian Experience class looks good right now, but for journal draws after January, I don't see any draws after January because the year started in April. There was a draw for journal. When the year started, there were so many journal draws on 10th of January, 23 of January, 31st of January, then on February 13th. There were so many journal draws, and I was hoping that they would be continuing journal draws, but they reduced the frequency and then they started they increased the frequency of the category-based draws, which were agriculture-based draws, healthcare draws, French language proficiency draws, and transport occupations. Then they continued journal draws until April, but after April, May, June, July, August, September, there were no journal draws. There were trade occupations, there were PNP only draws, there were Canadian Experience class draw. This year's largest Express Entry draw was 6,300 people that were selected on July 17th. That was also for Canadian Experience class. Then 5,000 people were invited. That was also Canadian Experience class. Now 3,200 were invited earlier last month. That was also a Canadian Experience class draw. Now this draw, 4,000 ITAs, big draw, that was only for Canadian Experience class as well. Now this raises some concerns for the people living outside Canada, but on the other hand, it's a good news for the people inside Canada who are getting into this Canadian Experience class category now, because you know that you need 1 year work experience in Canada within the recent years after completing your education on your work permit, or if you came directly on a work permit, then 1 year experience counts. If you are a student, then that 1 year's experience is not going to count unless your study period is completed and you're now on a work permit. So if you're a Canadian Experience class and your score is hovering around 500, it's time to wait for the draws to continue to happen like this. And soon, I hope that 505, 506, these scores are going to get selected. So if you're in there, just hang in there. Soon you're going to have those 60 days to apply after the ITA received. And if you're a journal category person, then I have only one suggestion for you. Start looking for a job in these categories, because if you can get a STEM category job in your home country, if you can get any trucking or transport related profession, healthcare related profession, get into that instead of just waiting. Because even if you have small experience in that particular category, you can still be eligible for that particular category. And we know that the category based draws, they are not these scary like this CEC draw or the journal draws. Journal draws were all 500 plus. So I don't see the score going down for CEC class or journal draw below 500. So it's time to get into those categories. That's the only way right now to get selected in the Express Entry draws. So with these words, this is Ali Iftikhar, and I'm hoping great things are coming your way.